Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a profile photo or picture to your Notion workspace really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now, did you know that you can add a profile photo not only to your user account here on Notion, but also to your workspace? Let us show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to Notion, and to enable or to add a custom profile photo to your workspace, click on your workspace name in the top left and access its settings below here. And what you want to do after that is here in your workspace settings, head over to the general settings below here of your workspace. Here you will be given the opportunity to customize your current workspace by, for example, applying a custom name here, or by going through the public settings and so on and so forth. So here below, you will see a feature called icon. So here you can add a custom photo or image or icon to your workspace by left clicking on the default icon. And after that, you may enable, for example, or use an emoji for that, or upload or use one of these icons below, or simply upload a custom one from your device by clicking on upload here and by selecting upload an image to locate the given image on your device and to save it by clicking on that button as your workspace icon. Just don't forget to click on update here at the bottom to save these changes, guys. And after that, these changes will be applied instantaneously, guys. So that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.